कमल कमल विकसित भारत की निशानी है कमल 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 युवाओं कमल 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 पूरे भारत की निशानी है कमल कमल
मोदी सरकार मोदी सरकार आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ पीयूष गोयल आगे बढ़ो हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं जय भवानी जय भवानी जय 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 भवानी जय जय जय
Piyushi, you've also been treasurer of the BJP. After the Supreme Court's verdict on electoral funding, how has the financing of this election changed relative to what you were planning earlier?
As far as the BJP is concerned, we do not accept donations except by check and through banking channels. So we are, it has not impacted us at all. The idea behind electoral bonds was more focused on supporting the opposition parties.
What's your plan for the green area, given that there is a concern that the BJP pushes development sometimes at the expense of environment and nature?
Absolutely out of the question. Environment is very precious to us. Whoever gave you this narrative is completely wrong. The enhancement of environment and environment related policies has been the highest during the Modi government.
As we speak to the players in Maharashtra politics, the one question that gets asked often is whether the BJP top brass overestimated the electoral strength of the Eknath Shinde Sena. That somehow they seem to be the weak link in the ND over here.
I think very clearly what I am saying is that the Sena is intact and only Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, his son and a few fringe elements have left the Sena and become a splinter group. We are very confident that Eknath Shinde is the true heir of the Sena legacy, given the fact that Mr. Uddhav Thackeray has compromised on all the principles of Balasaheb Thackeray. He's given up on Hindutva, he's gone and sat in the lap of Rahul Gandhi, something which Balasaheb Thackeray must be very pained to see, particularly when Balasaheb Thackeray had consistently held that he would rather wind up his party than ever compromise on the principles of Hindutva or join hands with the Congress.
You concede that while in the Lok Sabha elections, the image of Prime Minister Modi is a big factor, by the time it comes to the assembly elections at the end of the year, the BJP would have a real tough battle on its hands.
I don't think so. In fact, this election will do probably better than last Lok Sabha election. And I'm very confident that once again, this Mahayuti will be elected to power in the assembly election.
Sharad Pawar is now talking about the smaller regional parties, including his own, potentially merging back with the Congress. How do you look at that sentiment and statement?
Well, very clearly, Mr. Sharad Pawar has conceded defeat. This was said soon after the Baramati election, which reflects that he has accepted that what our assessment is that Sunetra Pawar will win Baramati is a reality.
कोई दाग नहीं है कमल के दामन में, इसलिए वोट मांगने आए आपके आंगन रासप आरपीआय महायुतीचे मनसे महायुतीचे उमेदवार श्री पीयूष गोयल यांना प्रचंड मताने विजयी करा. बॉलिवूड स्टार रेस्टॉरंट कमळासमोरचं बटन दाबून
पीयूष, जो मछुआरा समाज है यहाँ नॉर्थ मुंबई में, उसके लिए आपका क्या प्लान है?
जो कई सारी योजनाएं, जैसे आप मोदी की गारंटी में देखेंगे तो सबसे अधिक भारत के मछुआरों की चिंता की गई है. मछुआरों के लिए कई सारी विषय के ऊपर बड़े विस्तार से प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी की गारंटी में लिखा गया है और उस पर हम काम करने जा रहे हैं.
Piyush ji, we are currently at a beachhead here in Malad West. At one level, it's very beautiful. There's a lovely, gentle breeze blowing. At another, it's strewn with plastic and bottles. As MP, is that something that you'll be looking at, or you'll say, "ये तो BMC का या ये MLA का है, मेरा क्या काम है?"
We'll be making sure that we clean it up. It's a beautiful, pristine beach. It's a very, very pristine, good beach and has tremendous tourism potential.
Off-tangent question: is it hot under that hat?
No, not at all. In fact, I feel very proud when I'm wearing that hat.
What are the trends you're picking up? There is some sense that the BJP, after the phase one, was very concerned about drop in voter turnout, and that's something that spooked the top BJP leadership कि लोग वोट देने इतने क्यों नहीं आ रहे?
I think that's only a narrative that some of the media friends were trying to peddle. The fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pan-India popularity and the people of India trust him is giving us a huge response across the country. We are going to sweep the northeast, going to sweep the north and western parts of India. We will emerge as the single largest party of South India, and the NDA will cross 400 seats.
अभी भी आप NDA 400 बोल रहे हैं, बीजेपी वाले तो बोल रहे हैं कि अब 370 बोल के उल्टा ही पड़ गया.
कौन बोल रहा है मुझे नहीं मालूम.
I'll tell you.
I have talked to all the prominent pollsters and the leaders, and everybody confirms that all trends are showing that we will cross 400 seats.
सर ये तो मैंने बॉलीवुड में देखा है. दिस इज पीयूष गोयल्स बॉलीवुड अंदाज.
Not at all. It gives me a convenient way to reach out to my constituents and cover the constituency. I'm trying to meet everybody across the North Mumbai constituency.
So this little three-wheeler has many advantages if you're in crowded by-lanes in the chawls and villages of North Mumbai, because I've traveled in big buses, jeeps, jongas. This is perfectly fit for the kind of area you have to campaign in.
That's right, and my Sarthi has really been a wonderful friend. He took me around in Borivali earlier, and today we've come to the Koli village.
सर आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम है रश्मिकांत मोदी.
अरे आप भी मोदी निकले.
मेरे को मोदी पूरा बोरीवली कांदिवली मलाड सब मोदी समझता है.
सर आप पीयूष जी जैसे मिनिस्टर जो कि सीनियर मिनिस्टर है यूनियन में, उनको मुंबई में आउटसाइडर की तरह देखते हैं या आपको लगता है कि ये यहीं के हैं?
आउटसाइडर की तरह तो नहीं देखते हैं, वो अपने देश के ही है.
पीयूष जी मैंने बहुत कैंपेनिंग देखी है देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों में. इस तरह से थ्री व्हीलर में मैंने कभी कैंपेनिंग नहीं देखी. दिस इज यूनिक टू मुंबई.
अब अगर आपको हर वोटर तक पहुंचना है तो जो यथासंभव साधन है उस साधन को हमने इस्तेमाल किया है.
Piyush ji, you would have seen in the social corporate circles of Mumbai, there's a lot of speculation कि 4 जून के बाद क्या होगा, किसको क्या मिनिस्ट्री मिलने वाली है.
We are all कार्यकर्ताs of BJP, and that is not our bother at all.
Piyush ji, we've seen how the likes of Kamal Nath, Sharad Pawar brought extra development to the areas to show, देखो बड़े मिनिस्टर को बनाया तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. Is that something you're hoping to do as well?
मैं उस दृष्टिकोण से नहीं देखता हूँ और मोदी की गारंटी में लिखे हुए सभी विषयों के ऊपर मैं प्रामाणिकता से काम करूंगा.
In the work that you've been doing, Piyush ji, what's your unfinished agenda apart from the trade deals which are still in the works? What is it that you think is low-hanging fruit which you really hope to get done if you get another opportunity?
Well, I think there's lots of things that has been done and lots that is in the pipeline. They say when you cross a mountain, you only find that there are many more mountains to conquer ahead of them.
क्या बात है, philosophy and a little bit of poetry thrown in as well. Do you have time at all to think about all of these things? It's only go, go, go.
No, of course I read a lot. I keep educating myself.
These are the local Shiv Sena Shakha Pramukh who are welcoming Piyush Goyal in this Koli Samaj village. सर, आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि आपकी पार्टी के नहीं?
हमें बहुत खुशी है, ये हमारे ही है।
ऐसी रिपोर्ट्स आ रही है कि सिंपैथी उद्धव ठाकरे जी के साथ है।
कौन बोल रहा है ऐसा? गलत बात मत करो। हम मोदी वाले हैं, हम शिंदे वाले हैं, हम राज ठाकरे वाले हैं, हम महायुति वाले हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी साहेबांचा, एकनाथ शिंदे साहेबांचा।
वल्लभ रे रामा, वल्लभ रे
आम्ही डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा, आम्ही डोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा, तन पाण्यावरी।
सर, क्या क्या करना पड़ता है लोकसभा का इलेक्शन?
नहीं, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है। आई एम गेटिंग टू लर्न द कल्चर। और ये गाना डोलकर 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 दरियाचा पानी, ये हमने स्कूल में सीखा था। ये मेरे बचपन की यादें याद दिला रहा है। और ये गाना मैंने शायद कई दशकों बाद आज गाया है।
Piyush ji, there's drying fish, there's that stench. Is all of this really an effort to show your critics who are saying candidate को fish की smell पसंद नहीं है? Is this to answer?
अरे, आप लोग का इतना पुअर रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट है राहुल जी, आपको अभी तक ये नहीं मालूम कि वो फेक न्यूज थी। ये मैं पहली बार हूँ कि मैं पूरे मछुआरे इलाके में आज आया हूँ। वो जिस जगह का जिक्र किया था वो तो मैं आज तक गया नहीं हूँ।
इस बार हम देख रहे हैं कि डीप फेक वीडियो हो, फेक वीडियो, there's a lot of this fakery going on in this election.
हाँ, अमित भाई के ऊपर फेक वीडियो निकाला, प्रधानमंत्री जी पर फेक वीडियो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से निकाला। तो ये तो दुर्भाग्य है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी नेतृत्वहीन है। उनके पास दे हैव नो लीडरशिप, दे हैव नो प्रिंसिपल्स, नो पॉलिसी, नो प्रोग्राम, नो विजन। एक प्रकार से हताश हो गई है कांग्रेस पार्टी। और अब क्योंकि उनके पास ना नेता है, ना नेतृत्व है, ना नीति है, ना नियत है कुछ करने की, जनता उनको इतना बुरी तरीके से हराएगी कि पिछली बार जो थोड़ी सीटें आई थी उससे भी आधी से कम सीटें रह जाएंगी।
Piyush ji, what are you looking forward to most once your campaign and voting in Mumbai ends?
Well, we'll get back to work. Whatever the party will direct me, I'll be continuing that from the 21st.
Surely you factored some downtime, chill, relax. Huh?
I don't think so. हमारे को मोदी जी ने डाउन टाइम और चिल टाइम सिखाया ही नहीं है।
Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Pleasure having you with me on the campaign trail.